One question of the week this week was, how do you know whether a CEO or company is worth working for? The first thing I do when looking at a company or looking at a CEO is look at what the content is that they've been putting out. I'll look at the CEO's Twitter, their LinkedIn, I'll look at the company's Twitter, LinkedIn, I'll look at the executives' Twitters and LinkedIns to kind of understand exactly what they're talking about. Number two, I look at their crunch base. So you want to see all the different articles about them, how much fundraising they've done, what their business looks like, any type of articles about their financials, because what you're trying to figure out is, are they growing too fast? Are they growing too slow? And our third thing, which I think is super, super important, companies that care about being on the most innovative companies that, care about being on the best places to work, those things are important. But you have to think about it from this perspective. You can actually pay for that stuff. So you want to actually be able to look at their LinkedIn, like how many people work there, what does their careers website look like, how are they actually promoting the different people who work there? Because that's how you're going to find out if it's actually a company that has a culture of inclusivity.